Now these are not Damascus, they're laser engraved titanium. First part, just give you an idea of what it looks like on the gun, spinning around the room, trying to catch all the different lights here. So that's actually a black in the dark spot, but bright light might kind of reflect to a dark gray or a lighter black. This is in a white box right now, just to get really good light so I don't get a lot of reflection from the browns in my office. Again, it's not Damascus, it's just laser engraved titanium, made to mimic it. Really unique look.